Welcome to Daily Writing Journal. This episode is Video Games, Yay! Part 2, The Introduction. Let's look over our planning sheet from episode Part 1 to refresh our memory and begin writing our story. But before writing about our activities, we need to begin our story with an introduction. This is the first paragraph of your story, the introductory paragraph. It's where you grab your reader's attention, share a little about what your story is about, and make them want to keep reading. First, it should include a hook, which is a sentence that grabs the reader's attention. It could be a fun fact or an interesting statement. My hook will be, have you ever played a game with endless possibilities? Next, it should include a hint about the story. This is a sentence or two that gives a sneak peek about your writing. Here's my hint. Roblox is like that for me. It's a world full of exciting games to explore, creative tools to build with, and a fun way to play with friends. And finally, the introduction should have a focus statement. Sometimes, this is called a thesis statement. It's a sentence that tells the reader what the story is mainly about. This is my focus statement. Here are 3 reasons why I love Roblox. Let's put it all together. I'm going to write my introductory paragraph on my paper. Have you ever played a game with endless possibilities? Roblox is like that for me. It's a world full of exciting games to explore, creative tools to build with, and a fun way to play with friends. Here are 3 reasons why I love Roblox. When writing the introductory paragraph, remember to begin with a hook to grab your reader's attention. Next, write another sentence or two to give a hint about your writing. And then finish with a focus statement that tells us what the story will be mainly about. Well done! We're finished with the introductory paragraph. Now we can move on to the body paragraphs. See you in the next episode. Part 3, Body Paragraphs. Great job, everyone! If you would like a copy of the writing journal or digital download to print, follow the link below to purchase the item. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.